So we will be dealing with the 3 points basically here, and one is how to upload a WebGL build. Second is to how to debug, as we don't have option to debug in mobile devices. So we will be connecting through the USB via ADB connection, and for that we'll need the Chrome browser. And lastly, we will be seeing the keyboard issue. So let's see how we can upload. So here, after creating a profile, go to upload new project, give the name, classify it as a prototype. So or other anything. Here you have to select HTML, because somehow I'm not able to make this Unity file run. So HTML works, and as per my research, this is the way. So you will be selecting here HTML, and this will be prototype, no payments, and you can click to launch full screen, or you can experiment with the resolution. You can make it mobile friendly. Here you can choose the resolution. After, you'll have to make a zip of your build files and upload it here. So upon uploading, you will save and view pages, then you can make it public here again. Once it's uploaded, you can edit this page and make it public. So this is the key thing is there to make it HTML, create zip file of your project and upload it here. Yes, that's it. And to take the resolution in consideration. So that's how you will be uploading your WebGL project. And there are some ways to to inspect it. So you'll just be going to this URL, and uh, after enabling your ADB device setting through the developer mode, and as you go to the Chrome and you go to any website, anything. So no, it's not showing up. Okay, I guess it's there. Okay, you can just inspect, and you will see the web page, and here you got the you can see the logs. You can use the console here. So that's how you can debug for WebGL. So let's move to our third thing, to fixing the keyboard issue. So for that, we will be we'll be using this in 2022, I guess, with the 2021 and earlier versions. Despite having a proper code, I was facing some issues there. So I shifted here, and the issue was resolved. So for that, I had to create a WebGL bridge which will communicate to JavaScript. And I think I don't need these fields. So, and I have created as well a JavaScript file in lib extension. So, so make sure that you put this file in plugins folder here. This will be handling key events um, which are present in JavaScript. So, so those functions will be sending. This is the way to Unity send instant and send message is the way to call the method in Unity. And from Unity, you will be using this bridge to receive and call the function in JavaScript. So this is the way. And the condition here is to use legacy canvas because the um, if you use the if you use the TM Pro, TextMesh Pro, it's being rendered just like a 3D object, I guess. So because of that reason, JavaScript does not detect its window. So basically, JavaScript finds the available in fleets and which input function is active. So that's how it finds it. So old new input system is needed to test that. So we'll just taking a pause here. Okay, so I created two input fields. I'll be taking WebGL build. So one thing about the bridge is if you're resolving by yourself, you can, oh, where it is. Okay. So yeah, you have to use the DLL import. Without DLL import, it won't work. Application.external call is depreciated, and DLL import is the way to call external libraries such as C++ and JavaScript. So that is must. So I'll take the build and we'll be uploading this to H to test it. Mhm. So I will be converting this into a C. Okay. And I will be uploading this zip to H. Oh, let me take a pause. Okay, it should upload now. It's taking too much time. Okay, this should be playable in browser. Save it. So for the first time load, it will take a time. Mm,